Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another OBS tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to get audio from a window capture source. Now, before we get started, I will ask, if you do end up liking this tutorial, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps these videos do well in the algorithm. Without further ado, what you're going to do is click the plus at the bottom of your sources and click Application Audio Capture. And then once this pops up this menu, you should click Create New. And it's going to open up this menu right here. Under Window, you just choose the app that you want to do. I'll just leave this as Search Host. And then under the Window Match Priority, always make sure to set this to Otherwise Find Window of Same Executable. Any app like Discord, for example, that likes to switch the name of the executable will get messed up if you choose the other one, so always choose this one. And then click OK. And now, as you can see here, there's a thing in the audio mixer. Any audio that comes from that application will now show up here. That's going to be it for this tutorial. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, of course, and I'll see you on the next one.